flash flood emergency for Haleiwa. Flash flood warning remains in effect until 6:30 p.m. this evening for the island of Oahu. At 3:38 p.m., the Haleiwa stream reported an extremely large rise in water level. This may result in significant flooding of homes and roads in Haleiwa town along Haleiwa stream below the Joseph Lang Highway Bridge. Flooding is also ongoing along windward Oahu from NOAA to Kahuku. This is a flash flood emergency for Haleiwa. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Seek higher ground now. Hazard: heavy rain producing life-threatening flash flooding. Source: stream gauges. Impact: severe flooding in drainages, streams, rivers, roads, properties, and other low-lying areas. Numerous public road closures expected, as well as landslides and steep terrain. Significant property damage expected to homes and other properties in low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Punalu, Waikane, Ka'ava, Haleiwa, Waiahole, Wahiawa, Bililani, Laie, Kahaluu, Ahuimanu, Kahuku, Kanetohe, Haleiwa, Waialua, Kanetohe Marine Base, Kalihi, Maunawili, Kailua, Manoa and Kahana Valley State Park. Stay away from streams, rivers, drainage ditches, and culverts, even if they are currently dry. Do not cross fast-flowing or rising water in your vehicle, or on foot. Turn around, don't drown. Move to higher ground now. This is an extremely dangerous and life-threatening situation. Do not attempt to travel unless you are fleeing an area subject to flooding or under an evacuation order.